Hi, everyone. Lorraine Howard Hannah Rand Realty. And today I have Daniela Marino of Hudson United Mortgage being with us. Thank you for being here today, Daniela.
Thank you for having me, Lorraine.
My pleasure. And as we know, it's Military Awareness Month, and this week is Veterans Day. So I thought, what a better time than to have Daniela come and talk to you about one of the great benefits our government gives to veterans. So Daniela, can you please talk about the VA loan?
Sure. So guys, I'm a licensed loan officer. Hello, everyone. The wonderful veteran benefits for veterans today is that there is a beautiful program that many people can have much more flexible guidelines with. So the 3 or 4 big guidelines is that number one, you have a much greater ratio for qualifying. The normal is like 40%. And if you're a veteran, it would be up to 60%. So that's unbelievable. There's no mortgage insurance. The biggest and most unbelievable thing is that there's 100% financing. You do not have to come out of pocket with any down payment money. Again, 0 down payment. There are little or no closing costs. There is maybe a fee that could be tacked on, and much more flexible credit scores. So those 2 things in a nutshell do make it much easier to qualify for a veteran's loan. And there's some unbelievable limits you can go up to. I actually have seen recently a $600,000 0 down VA loan that someone walked into one of my open houses with.
That's wonderful. Yeah, that's great going up to that limit. So who qualifies though? I mean, any military branch? Do you have to be active, or could you be retired?
So you can be active. I have obviously active, retired. I would say the only gray area would be the areas of where there's National Guard and reservists, because I think they just added National Guard in and reservists. Having said that, there are documents that you will need to require documents. Actually, and I was talking to Lorraine a little bit about this. The required document shows that it's giving you a certificate for $32,000, the DD-214. I mean, the certificate of eligibility. So that's basically buying your down payment. And that's the 1 or 2 documents you'll need. Obviously, most veterans know that. And if not, we help them get that. And that's really it for that.
Okay.
So,
how soon should they start, Danielle, reaching out to you if they're thinking about buying a home? How early in the process to get this application going?
Well, I mean, typically the pre-approval process starts before you go out to, start your biggest home, purchase in probably your life. So to get those forms, I would like you to, speak to Lorraine. You meet Lorraine, then you meet me. We do the pre-approval, and then we tell you what documents to gather. There's a lot of other little caveats because a newly person who's just left the veteran may be getting a lot of differentials for schooling, for supplemental rent, for supplemental housing. So there's a lot of benefits that we need to uncover before the application. So I would say 30 to 60 days before you want to buy.
Before you want to start looking, I would say.
Start looking to buy.
Start looking, yeah.
Looking.
Okay. And you mentioned no closing costs. So I'm assuming that means no closing costs on the loan side, but they still would have an attorney if they use an attorney, right?
Right. So there would be those typical fees. And some of them, I would say, probably can either be shaved or financed. And that's another whole thing where we sometimes can finance your closing costs through the loan itself, either by by raising the rate a little bit, or you're getting some credits toward closing. So they're always down. There are closing costs like the prepaids and things, but some of them, and I actually think that they might even waive the appraisal fee. So, but again, those are,
I have heard of that at times.
yeah, tightened up things that we would, go to at that point. And again, flexible credit. I don't know if I said that.
You did. Yeah. So that's great. So, I mean, it's just wonderful that we have such a program that we can offer to our veterans as a way to helping them that they could purchase with, no money down, and possibly add their closing costs into the package also.
Yeah,
that's wonderful. Okay, so thank you for being with us. Anyone has any more questions or that, we're going to post our information under this video, and you can reach out to us. And please have a wonderful week, everyone. Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you, Lorraine. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.